Universal Academy wishes you happy and healthy day, and I also suggest you use mask, means wear mask, and use sanitizer. Avoid to move outside. Today I will teach you reporting speech. It is not our first lecture. Earlier I have told you or many revision being done related to this topic. Today I am revising this topic, reporting speech. Earlier, and these are combined sentences, means here simple sentences are there, interrogative are there, and imperative also there. First sentence is, where are you going? Means Radha asked Rama. Radha asked Rama. Earlier I told you, when in interrogative sentence, when we convert a sentence into indirect speech and it is interrogative and with WH word, in that case no conjunction is being used. Means, where are you going? Here you, because Radha is asking Rama. That's why Rama is a girl. So you converts into she and are, as she is a singular, that's why are converts into was. So where she was going. Got it? Where she was going. Got it? And Radha asked where she was going, and here question mark will be removed. Question mark will be removed. Where she was going. Was will put after subject, means after she, because we are not converting this sentence into interrogative sentence, we are making simple sentence. Okay. Then Radha asked where she was going. Rama replied that. It is simple sentence, so conjunction that is used. Rama replied that. I converts into she because she is third person. Rama replied that. She M converts into was. She was going to Delhi. Rama replied that she was going to Delhi. Earlier I told you simple present tense converts into past present. Past simple. Okay. Means present simple sentence converts into simple past. So here where and present continuous converts into past continuous. In this way, where she was going and present continuous converts into past continuous, where replied that she was going to Delhi. Got it? Radha asked, have you completed your homework? Means here it is interrogative sentence, but WH word is not used. That's why in that case we use conjunction to join the sentences. So conjunction if or whether. We can use if or whether. So Radha further asked, or we can say Radha asked if she, you converts into she. If she have converts into had, means present perfect converts into past perfect. Present perfect converts into past perfect. Radha asked if she had completed it is not boy, she is girl, that's why her. If she had completed her homework. If she had, Radha asked if she had completed her, not your. If she had completed her homework. Radha asked, or Radha further asked if she had completed her homework. Rama replied that. It is simple sentence, so conjunction that will used. Okay, so conjunction that will be used. Rama replied positively. I told you earlier, if it is yes, write positively, and if it is no, write negatively. Rama replied positively and said. Rama replied positively and said that she had completed. Rama replied positively because Rama is answering of Radha's question. Rama replied positively and said that she had completed. Got it? Then Radha, it is go and enjoy. It is imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, to conjunction is used. Okay, that is not used. If is not used, only to. In case of order, requested, suggestion, command or and suggestion. Imperative sentence, these are imperative sentence. In that case, in imperative sentence, to conjunction is used. Radha said, or we can say Radha suggested, not said. Radha suggested to go and enjoy. Radha suggested. Now go G. Small g, suggested to go and enjoy. Got it? I think you have got it, and you will do better. If you will be having any problem, then you can make contact to me. Okay, I wish you a prosperous and healthy day. Thank you and have a nice day.